Today we are diving into Graphghan crochet, a fun way to bring pictures to life with just your hook and yarn. Whether you're a total beginner or just new to Graphghans, I have simple steps and helpful tips for you. But before we get into these tips, please take a minute to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, let's get into it. Number 1, choosing a pattern. If you're just starting out, choose a simple design with large color sections and minimal details like hearts and stars and cute little shapes. You can find free patterns online, especially on Pinterest. That's a great place to find those patterns, or you can make your own using a pixel grid. I personally use Stitch Fiddle, and there are more that I'm going to link down below. Please check them out, explore, and see which one is going to work for you. Okay, and this takes us to step number 2, picking the right yarn. For Graphghans, worsted weight yarn is a great choice because it is thick enough to work up quickly and not bulky. A pro tip: please choose colors that contrast very well so your design can stand out. Step number 3 is learning the techniques. There are different ways to make a Graphghan, but as a beginner, I suggest you should start using the single crochet stitch because it's the easiest stitch you can learn. So start with a single crochet, but if you want to be adventurous, you can try the corner to corner stitch for a diagonal look. I've seen people use it and their designs came out so beautiful. I've not used it myself, but I'm planning to. Step number 4 is managing colors and mini yarn balls. Here is where it gets a little tricky. Color changes. I suggest you should use small yarn balls so you avoid carrying strands of yarn behind your work as you're working, and this is going to prevent tangles and keeping your work neat. Step number 5 is keeping track of your progress. Working row by row can be a little confusing, so grab a marker, a highlighter, or use a dicto app to track your work, and that is why I love Stitch Fiddle. It has a tracker so you easily track your progress as you're working. I don't know about the other websites, but I say you should look into all these details before you choose which one you're going to work with. I am talking about Stitch Fiddle because it's what I'm using and it works just perfect for me. And yes, I'm using the free version. I'm using the free version, and trust me, it has everything I need for now. Step number 6 is weaving in your ends. Graphghans means a lot of color work, and that also means a lot of loose ends. So I say, as you're working, please keep weaving in your ends so you avoid weaving in ends later. It frustrates me, especially if there's so many loose ends. I've done that and I keep doing it, and I'm telling you, it's not a good idea. If you're patient enough to weave the ends after your project is done, you can do that too. So anyway, take breaks when you get overwhelmed, because when you're overwhelmed and you keep going, you're going to make a mistake. Crochet is all about practice and learning and patience, so try to enjoy the process and don't stress over imperfections because we'll always make mistakes. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what I should talk about next. See you again in the next video.